Hello viewers, welcome to Pritha Genesis channel. Those who are new to my channel, I am a mixed media artist who works on different medium. I also post videos on art supplies to help beginners. On that line, this is a small review video on color pencils. Today I will be reviewing the Faber-Castell Low-End Pencil color set of 24 colors. Here on the package you can see there are few things which are mentioned like a triangular grip, break resistance lead, and it includes the gold and silver color pencils also. So coming back to these feature, triangular grip will help you out to keep the pencil and it won't roll out and the grip would be better. And for the break resistance, it's good to use it because if you put some pressure on it, it won't break the lid. That also means that this is a lower end pencil and the binder which is being used over here is more and the pigment is less. Okay, on the back side of the package you can see there are same kind of things which are mentioned in different languages, and the MRP of this particular set is 200 rupees and it contains 24 number of color pencils of similar length 174 mm. Now this is how it looks from inside, and the 6 color pencils are stacked on top of each other. You can see the gold and silver color on the first stack only. If you can see, the colors are being shown on top of like the pencil body will indicate the color which it is, so that's a good thing. But let's do proper swatches to understand whether those the body color and the actual pencil colors are matching or not. If you see closely the pencil, there is no mention of the color number or color detail, like if it is a blue, which kind of blue, royal blue, ultramarine blue, or a Persian blue. No, it's not mentioned, and it's just mentioning that it's a Faber-Castell color me grip pencil. Yeah, within 200 rupees of MRP you can't expect much out of it. Now here I have stacked the colors in groups, like I have kept the yellows and the skin colors, the brown tones and the reds and greens and blue and violet separately. Now this is a color which I'm not able to put it somewhere, that's why I need to swatch it out to understand the color. Then we have the gold and the silver and black color. So overall the variety of color is quite good. I'm happy with it. You can not only go for landscape but portrait paintings also with this, because we do have a lot of browns over here. Now let's go to the swatches. Here I have created a sheet where I have kept 24 different circles where I will be coloring them one by one. On the side panel in the rectangular boxes, I will be checking the blending with each other on the colors and then how it blends with water and oil. So we'll get started. Here I'm coloring all the circles and looking into the swatches. Here while doing the coloring, I will be putting pressure on one side of the sphere, and other side of the sphere I won't be putting any pressure, so that we will be getting the gradient of colors also. Now while I'm doing it, I noticed one thing, that whenever I'm putting some pressure, I'm getting some glossy kind of texture over here. That means it contains more binder which is on glossy side, not matte binders, and the binder content is more, that's why it is coming as glossy. Also I have to put lot of pressure, still the tip is not breaking, it's staying intact. So if you are a beginner, I think this is really good pencil colors for you, because you will now understand and you just experiment with that. No need to think about sharpening your pencil again and again, which is the case with professional or artist grade pencils, where the lead pencil, the lead of the pencil is very not firm, a bit soft. Here I have swatched all the colors. Now you can see over here there is a glossy texture when I was moving it against light, and the colors are very nice, very like variety of color is there. I especially like the gold and silver, although it's not making much impact, but yeah, the variation in blue and violets and the yellows and oranges, I really like it. So let's move ahead and go for the blending technique. For blending technique, I will be demonstrating two different type of blending. I will be blending two same type of colors, and then I will be blending two different type of colors which are not from the same color family. Here I am using purple and mauve, which are very uh, easily blend each with each other, and on one side I am putting less pressure and the other side I am putting more pressure to the while doing the swatches, and I'm mixing it in between. As you can see over here, the color pigment is not that great because I have to put lot of pressure and do lot of strokes to get the desired color. So as I told you before, this is a low end pencil range, so that's why you will get the pigment less and the binder more over here. In the below portion, I am blending the green and red color. Here I am getting the brown color, which is a to check the blend with water and oil, I will be coloring half of the rectangle with the shape to get the pigment, and on the other half I will be doing the blending. First I will be doing blending with water. I am using aqua pen over here, and I will be blending it, and if you can see on my screen, I am taking too much of effort to blend it across. Also after the blending, I am able to see the strokes over here, so the pigment is not getting blended with the water that much. For oil blending, I will be taking oil on a earbud, and then I will be doing the blend. And oh, this is really very good. It's a surprise to me because the colors are getting distributed so evenly, and the blend is so good, and I'm able to see the strokes are not visible anymore. So yeah, this is really good result. I was not expecting this kind of oil blending results from Faber-Castell low end range pencil range, but I'm really happy with it. I'm definitely going to use the oil. Also I will suggest, if you are going to thinking of blending the colors with some medium, go ahead and do it with oil. Do not do it with water. So yeah, but make sure you practice the blending technique with oil, because paper absorb the oil very quickly. So this is the end of my review. Hope you like it and enjoyed it. If so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please comment in the comment section below if you want to see more review videos like this. And thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.